Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're here, you probably want to live a healthier, toxin-free life. But maybe you're thinking, isn't that going to be expensive? Well, today I'm here to bust that myth. You don't need to spend a fortune to detox your home, and I'm going to show you an easy, affordable switch that will save you money in the long run, replacing dryer sheets with wool dryer balls. So let's start with why you want to ditch the dryer sheets in the first place. Well, these little sheets may make your clothes smell nice and reduce static, but they are loaded with toxic chemicals. Many dryer sheets contain artificial fragrance, phthalates, and other chemicals that can irritate your skin, harm your lungs, and even disrupt your hormones over time. Plus, they're single-use, which isn't great for your wallet or the environment. So here's a simple, eco-friendly swap: wool dryer balls. These reusable, chemical-free balls are a fantastic alternative to dryer sheets. They naturally soften your clothes, reduce static, and even cut down drying time, which saves energy and money. One set of 6 can last you years. Now you might be wondering, well, what about that fresh scent I love from those dryer sheets? No problem. This is where essential oils come in. They're an affordable and natural way to make your laundry smell amazing without any toxic chemicals. So here's how you do it. Take your wool dryer balls and add 3 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil. Now, I love using lavender for a calming scent, or citrus oils like orange or lemon for a fresh vibe, and even eucalyptus for something invigorating. Let the oil soak in for a few minutes before tossing the balls into your dryer with your clothes. Now your laundry will come out soft, static-free, and smelling great. Not only is this switch healthier and more budget-friendly, but it's also so easy to do. Plus, you're cutting down on waste and reducing your carbon footprint. It's a win for you and the planet. Now, I did a video on a DIY scented spray that is also an option to use with these wool dryer balls. And if you're interested in catching that video, I'll link it at the end of this one. So there you have it, a simple, affordable way to make your home a little healthier and toxin-free. Now, as with everything you buy, look at the label and just make sure the wool balls are 100% wool. I tell you, labels can be deceiving. So if you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little toxin-free inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, budget-friendly tips for natural living. Thanks for watching.